Hello, this is my presentation about lab safety rules. As you may know, the lab can be a dangerous and hazardous place. Therefore, you should understand the rules and procedures to follow in the lab to prevent harm. Remember, safety first is the most important rule. This diagram can help you picture just how many hazards there might be while working in the lab. The first lab safety rule is to understand and follow all directions. This may be the most important rule, a rule that governs all others. Following directions not only helps you be safe, but also helps you perform a better experiment. The second lab safety rule is no horseplay in the lab. As there are many hazards in the lab, horsing around can cause serious trouble, from knocking over a test tube to ruining an experiment. Don't do it. The third rule is to always wear safety gear. You should be wearing the right gloves and goggles, and your clothes should be comfortable, long sleeves and pants. The fourth rule is no food or drink in the lab. This includes the lab materials. It may seem stupid that I'm saying this, but many experiments can have tempting materials such as the sugar in the yeast experiment. The fifth rule is to be sanitary. Wash your hands to prevent the spread of germs and the chance of ruining an experiment. Also, clean up after your workspace so you can prevent potential risks and have a clean place for next time. The sixth rule is to protect your nose. The easiest and best way is simply not to inhale chemicals directly. You should waft, as seen in the image. The seventh rule is to know where the eyewash station is. If anything gets into your eyes, immediately flush it out by holding your eyes open and gently rolling them around. The eighth rule is no open-toed shoes. People can easily spill something or knock something over in the lab, so it's especially hazardous to wear sandals or flip-flops. Sneakers do just fine in the lab. The ninth rule is to know beforehand where the exits are. This way, in the case of an emergency, you can just calmly proceed towards the exit doors. The final rule is to dispose of chemical waste properly. Many people simply dump their waste in the sink and leave, which is wrong. You should instead listen to your instructor for directions on disposing chemical waste. In conclusion, understand the lab safety rules. Follow those lab safety rules. And don't die. Thanks for watching.